Have you noticed that people keep talking about congressional seats changing in 2026, but nobody is really explaining why everyday people should care? Most people hear words like redistricting, congressional maps, seat changes, and immediately tune out because they think that's politics. That has nothing to do with me. But what if I told you that changes in congressional seats could quietly influence conversations around communities, nonprofits, businesses, and long-term opportunities? And no, this is not a political video. This is about understanding real-world change in plain English. Because whether you run a nonprofit, own a business, serve your community, or simply care about where things are headed, this matters more than most people realize. So let's talk about it. Okay, let's make this make sense. When people hear congressional seats are changing, many people immediately think, does this mean people are losing seats? Sometimes, but more often, it means districts are changing. Here's the plain English version. Several southern states are redrawing congressional district maps through something called redistricting. That means some communities are being regrouped, some district boundaries are shifting. Think of it like reorganizing classrooms in a school. The school still exists, but who gets grouped together changes. Right now, states like Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, Tennessee, Virginia, South Carolina, and Texas are all seeing activity. And that's why many people are calling this the Southern redistricting wave. Now you may be wondering, okay, but how does this affect my life? Fair question. Because most people are busy trying to pay bills, raise families, run businesses, survive rising costs, and congressional maps probably aren't top of mind. But here's why people are paying attention. When representation shifts, sometimes the conversations around communities shift too. And no, that doesn't mean life suddenly changes tomorrow, but over time, communities sometimes begin focusing more heavily on certain things. Things like housing concerns, roads and transportation, workforce development, neighborhood growth, youth opportunities, food access, economic development. Think about your own neighborhood. If local conversations suddenly became more focused on jobs, housing, community investment, or small business growth, wouldn't you want to know? That's the point. Awareness. Smart communities stay informed. So let's talk about the entrepreneurs next. Entrepreneurs, lean in for a second because many business owners think politics doesn't affect my business. But real-world shifts absolutely can affect customer spending, local development, neighborhood investment, workforce growth, and business partnerships. Let's make this practical. If conversations in your area begin focusing more on economic development and workforce expansion, that can create new opportunities. But here's the mistake many entrepreneurs make. They wait, they react late. Smart entrepreneurs prepare before opportunities arrive. That means staying informed, becoming funding ready, strengthening your structure, and building credibility, because opportunity tends to favor businesses that are already prepared. Now, nonprofit leaders, let's talk, because nonprofits often feel these kinds of shifts quietly, not overnight, but gradually. Organizations already aligned with changing community needs may start seeing stronger visibility, new partnerships, and more collaboration opportunities. Whether it's youth development, food insecurity, or housing stability, the organizations that stay connected to these needs position themselves for sustainability. Okay, so what should people actually do with this information? Simple. Don't panic, prepare. Smart people are doing 5 things. Stay informed, watch community needs, strengthen your structure, build relationships, and think long-term. Because the future belongs to organizations and entrepreneurs who adapt, the ones who stay informed before change fully arrives. If you're trying to prepare for long-term growth and sustainability, that's exactly what we do here at Bridge Builders Business Services. Comment "Ready" below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more plain English breakdowns that actually make sense, or visit our website at the link in bio. See you in the next video.